This is Tracy from Edmond, Oklahoma store, and we have this precious lady. She's going to introduce herself and tell us her story today.
Okay, I'm Karen, and in January of 2024, I was diagnosed with stage 3 lung cancer, mucinous adenocarcinoma, and I did a full round of treatment, chemotherapy, and they realized that it didn't work as well as they'd hoped. And after doing testing, they realized I have a KRAS G12V mutation. And I did immunotherapy, and it was doing really well. It was shrinking the tumor, and it was easier to do immunotherapy versus chemotherapy. And so I was able to still work. I ended up in the hospital because the immunotherapy was attacking my kidneys. So I can no
you
longer.
have been through one thing and
Yes,
the other.
I can no longer have immunotherapy. So then they were like, well, surgery, we're gonna do surgery. We'll take out the right lung. And I failed the pulmonology test for breathing. And so they're like, the oxygen afterward would not be good. But they also found 2 spots in my left lung. So it had popped up. Now cancer's in both lungs. So, and now I started my first round of Taxol and cisplatin 2 weeks ago. And so I'm going to lose my hair. I'm going to do 4 rounds of it. So this will be my 3rd line of defense.
Okay.
And so my hair's starting to thin.
Well, we've had some fun. We've picked out some pieces for you, so we're going to try those on.
Okay, awesome.
So we sort of pulled some that was similar to, we pretty much spot on, because she's going more of the synthetic route because she wants ease. So that's why we are doing synthetics today. So this is a new one. Well, it's fairly new, about 6 or 8 months old. This is straight to camera. I think they launched this last September. And she's a fully hand-tied, but she's really cute.
Oh, she's so cute.
She sort of has a little bit of a longer side bang, or you could put it fully out if you wanted to.
Oh, she's really cute.
Then she asked to try simmer on, because you know everybody likes to try simmer. With the beach waves.
Oh, she's so fun.
And so this is also in the SSI Strava.
Oh, she feels so good too. She's cute.
So, and you have naturally curly hair.
I do.
Yeah. So
She was really cute.
we stepped out of her comfort zone.
We did.
We went a little bit longer. And this one is Well Played.
Great name.
And she is in that SSI Strava also. And this is probably about an inch and a half in the back, 2 inches longer than your bio hair currently.
I like it a lot.
And she loves to tuck. So we call those our Jennifer Aniston haircut.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. So out of all of those, which one do you think?
Oh, I love this one.
You like
those?
this
I
one?
do. I like the way it feels. I like how it looks like my hair in the front, just longer. And so it's not as drastic of a change. I like how it sits and it feels good, like on my head. And it's not uncomfortable at all. It's not itchy and I feel secure in it.
Great.
Yes, I love
So,
it.
as we say here at Georgia Hair, do you dig the wig?
I dig the wig.
Yay! And sweet lady, we had to play with fun because we have gotten some samples of some new curly wigs.
Yes.
That are going to hopefully help our curly haired ladies.
Yes.
This one, she said,
Isn't
looks
she cute?
like her bio hair when she doesn't straighten it. So I just had to show this one because this one is so cute, and she said it's like her natural curl pattern. Well, sweet lady, thank you so much for trusting us on this small part of this long journey that you have ahead of you. But we're just going to be praying over you.
Thank you.
And ladies, just be lifting her up in prayer just for strength and encouragement every single day, because this is just a journey for every single lady going through this, going through cancer. And so just to know that you're not alone out there. Thank you again. And I'm so glad that you dig the wig. And I'm going to bring her 2 special friends that came. They're mother and daughter, and they're special one she works with. So
friends,
I'll let you introduce
friends
them.
like family.
Yes.
Friends like family. This is Gabby and her mom Samantha. And I just it's amazing when your friends become family. And so I love them, and I'm glad they could share this time with me and make it so much easier.
And just thank you again for
Yeah.
trusting us on this little part
Yeah.
of this journey that
Thank you.
have.
You were amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.